Hello everyone. In the previous class, we discussed the basic formulas of trigonometry. Now today, we are just moving forward. Today's topic is trigonometric ratios. So before discussing the problems, we should know the values of all trigonometric functions. Okay, to the particular angles, these are the basic angles. On these angles only the problems will be there. So these are trigonometric functions: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta and cot theta. And the angles are given here: 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. Listen carefully. If you remember the values of the trigonometric functions with respect to the given angles, then only you will understand this topic. So concentrate and listen carefully. If you know these values, then the total trigonometry will be very easier. Okay. Now sin theta. If in place of theta 0 is there, means sin 0 value. What is the value of sin 0? For example, here if we take theta values. So if theta is 0, sin 0, 0, sin 30, 1 upon 2. Now sin 45 means sin 45 degrees, that is 1 upon square root 2. Next sin 60, sin 60 is root 3 upon 2. And last sin 90, that is 1. So what are the sin values? With respect to the different angles, see, sin 0, 0, sin 30, 1 upon 2, sin 45, 1 upon root 2, sin 60, root 3 upon 2 and sin 90 is 1. In the same way, for the cos also, cos 0, 1. See, there is one trick. If you know the sign formulas, all the values of sine, then this total table you can fill. Okay? If you know the sign values like 0, 1 upon 2, 1 upon root 2, root 3 upon 2, 1, then this table is very easy. See, sign values are already we have written. Now cos values are just opposite to sign values. In a reverse order, there is 1, so 1 and root 3 upon 2 here. Next, this is same. Next, after this one 1 upon 2. And next, after 1 upon 2, 0. So if you write the values of sine in a reverse order, you will get cos values. So cos 0, 1, cos 30, 1 root 3 upon 2, cos 45, 1 upon root 2, cos 60, 1 upon 2 and cos 90 is 0. And in the previous class, I told you tan theta formula. Tan theta is sin upon cos. Yes or no? It means tan theta is sin divided by cos. So 0 upon 1. How much? 0. And here also tan 30. What is the sin 30 value? 1 upon 2. Cos 30 value root 3 upon 2. If you divide sin theta with cos theta, then you will get tan theta. Now see, sin upon cos means 1 upon 2 upon root 3 upon 2. Here 2 gets cancelled. What is the remaining value? 1 upon root 3. So what is tan 30? 1 upon root 3. Tan 45, sin 45 is 1 upon root 2. And in the same way cos 45 is also 1 upon root 2. So sin 45 upon cos 45 means 1 upon root 2 upon 1 upon root 2. Both will be gets cancelled and you will get here 1. Next, here also 2 gets cancelled. You root 3 upon 1 you will get, it means root 3. And next 1 upon 0, it is undefined. So we will take it as infinite. Okay. Now cosecant theta. You know the formula that cosecant theta is reciprocal of sine. Yes or no? If sine theta is 0, then what is cosecant theta? 1 upon 0. Just if it is 0 upon 1, then cosecant theta will become 1 upon 0. Just reciprocal. So 1 upon 0 is undefined. Next, it is 1 upon 2. So what is cosecant theta? 2 upon 1. In the same way, 1 upon root 2. So what will be this value? Root 2 upon 1. It means root 2. And here root 3 upon 2. It means 2 upon root 3. 1 means 1 only. 1 upon 1 means 1. So you got cosecant theta values. In the same way, secant theta, reciprocal of cos theta. Okay? Secant theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. So 1 upon 1, 1. And root 3 upon 2, 2 upon root 3. Otherwise, just reverse order of cosecant theta. Whatever it is. So you will get the values of these angles in a multiple way. Next, here it is 2 and next it is Just see here, reverse order, you will get here 1. Okay? And next, sorry, it is not 1. Actually, I got confused. So, what is second 90? If cos 90 is 0, then second 90 is 1 upon 0. It means undefined. Okay? Next, cot theta, it is a reciprocal of tan. 0 upon 1, 0. 1 upon root 3 means reciprocal of 1 upon root 3, root 3. Next, 0 upon 1 not, just 0 upon 1 is the value of tan theta. Reciprocal of 0 upon 1, 1 upon 0, undefined. Next, it is as it is 1, it becomes 1 upon root 3. Next, we will take it as cot 90, yes or no? So, if it is 1 upon 0, then it becomes 0. So, what are the values now? We got all the values. So, if you know the values of sin theta with respect to all this angle, this total table you can write. Okay? Once again, have a look at this table. If you understand this table, then only you can easily solve the problems. Okay? I am going to erase this table now. And we will get into the problems. It is very important topic which will be useful in your higher classes also. If you know these values, then the total trigonometry is very easy for you. So just remember the values. Now I will give you one problem, just to solve it. Find the value of 2 sin 45 into cos 45. So this is the problem. Value of 2 sin 45 into cos 45. If you know the value of sin 45 and cos 45, you can easily find this value. Yes or no? So just to substitute there. 2 into what is sin 45? If you know the value, that is sin 45 is 1 upon root 2. I remember, I don't know whether you remember or not. Okay, now cos 45 value is 1 upon root 2. Okay, next 2. 1 upon root 2, 1 upon root 2 means 1 into 1. 1, root 2 into root 2, root 2 whole square. Okay, next 2 into square root gets cancelled. Here it is 2. Next 2 ones are 2 ones are. Finally you will get the answer 1. So what is the value of 2 sin 45 cos 45? It is 1. Otherwise there is one formula which is not there in your book, but still there is one formula. Sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta into cos theta. Okay? See, this is in the form of 2 sin theta into cos theta, yes or no? Because theta is same, 45, 45. 2 sin theta into cos theta means sin 2 theta, according to formula. Sin 2, what is theta? 45. Sin 2 into 45, how much? 90. So, what is the value of sin 90? It is 1. If you remember the table. Okay? Just leave it. This will be coming in your next topic. So I'll give you one more problem, just to try to solve it. Write down the formula. Write down the problem. Cos 45 into cos 60 minus sin 45 into sin 60. Into sin 60. So this is the problem. We need to find the value of the given problem. Cos 45 degrees into cos 60 degrees minus sin 45 degrees into sin 60 degrees. See, what is the value of cos 45? In table, it is 1 upon root 2 into what is cos 60 value? Sin 60 is root 3 upon 2. Cos 60 is 1 upon. Okay, don't get confused. Next, sin 45 value, it is 1 upon root 2 and sin 60 value root 3 upon 2. Okay, so if you know the values, then only you will solve this problem. Yes or no? So knowing the values are very important. So remember all these values. Next calculation, 1 into 1 1, root 2 into 2 2 root, minus 1 upon root 2. See here, first numerators, 1 into root 3 root 3, root 2 into 2, again it is 2 root. Next, denominators are same, so directly we can subtract the numerators. 2 root 2 here, 1 minus root 2. So this is our required answer. Okay. Next, now I will give you one more problem like this. Try to solve it. Sin square 30 sin square 30 plus 2 cos square 45 plus 3 tan square 60. See, this is a problem. You need to find the value of the given problem. Now sin square 30. First of all, what is sin 30 value? It is 1 upon 2. So 1 upon 2 whole square is there now. So whole square plus 2 into what is cos 45 value? It is 1 upon root 2. Yes. Cos square 45 means 1 upon root 2 whole square. Okay. Next plus 3 into tan 60 value. Tan 60 value is root 3. Square is there. So whole square. Now simplify it. 1 upon 2 means 1 square means 1. 2 square is 4. 1 upon 4 plus 2 into 1 upon root 2 whole square means it becomes 1 upon 2. Because 1 square is 1 and root 2 square root gets cancelled. The remaining is 2 plus 3 square root gets cancelled here. You will remain with 3. Now again simplify it. 2 gets cancelled and 3 see here it 1. Next it is 1. Now it is 3 3s are 9. 1 upon 4 plus 9 plus 1 10. So simplify it. 4 tens are 40. At last you will get the value 41 upon 4. Okay, is that clear? Next, the last problem. So write down the problem. Okay, tan square 60 plus 4 sin square 45 plus sin square 90. Sin square 90 divided by 3 secant square 30 plus cosecant square 60 minus cot square 30 minus cot square 30. So this is the problem. We need to find the value of the given problem. Now, okay, solve with me. Tan square 60. What is the value of tan 60? It is root 3. Tan square 60 means root 3 whole square. Just substituting the values of the given trigonometric function. Now, for it as it is and sin square 45. If you know the sin 45 value, then substitute here. 1 upon root 2 whole square is there plus sin square 90. Sin 90 is 1. So 1 square divided by next 3 as it is secant square 30 value. Secant 30 means reciprocal of cos 30. See here cos 30 is root 3 upon 2. Then secant 30 is 2 upon root 3 whole square plus cosecant square 60. See in the same way, first what is sin 60 value? Root 3 upon 2. Then cosecant 60 value 2 upon root 3. Simple. Whole square is there minus cot square 30. Tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. Then cot 30 is just root 3 upon 1. It means root 3. Whole square. Now you substituted all these values. Next, simplify them. Calculation part, just square root gets cancelled, and here also square root gets cancelled. So remaining value 3 plus 4 into 1. Sorry, here 4 is there and here 2 is there. 2 ones are 2 twos are. Here you will remain with 2. Next 1 divided by, is it here? Next here square root gets cancelled. You will remain with 3 here. 3 gets cancelled and 2 square is 4. Just the simplification part. Here also 4 upon 3 minus 3. Okay, again simplify it. 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 6, 6 upon, see LCM. Otherwise 4 minus 3, just we are writing directly the constants. 4 minus 3 1 plus 4 upon 3. Again 3 ones are 3. 3 plus 4 upon 3. Next, here 3 is in a binomial element. So you know this very well. A upon B, C upon D is there. Then A into D upon B into C. In the same way, here also just 3 into 6, 18 divided by 7. Okay, this is our required answer. Is that clear? Next, the last problem. I think I told you the next problem last time only, but this is an important formulas and problems are very important because in examination point of view these are important. Next, okay, we will just try these formulas. This problem 4 sin 30 sin square 60 sin square 60 plus 3 cos 60 plus 3 cos 60 tan 45 is equals to 2 secant square 45 minus cosecant square 90. 2 secant square 45 minus cosecant square 90. So this is the problem. We need to prove LHS is equals to RHS, means left hand side value is equals to right hand side value. Okay. So 4 sin 30 sin square 60 plus 3 cos 60 tan 45 is equals to 2 secant square 45 minus cosecant square 90. We need to prove it. Now, first we will take LHS. We will solve the LHS first and then RHS. Okay. What is the value? Just substitute the values in LHS. 4 as it is. Sin 30 value is 1 upon 2. Sin square 60 means sin 60 is root 3 upon 2 whole square. Okay. Next 3 cos 60 is 1 upon 2. Okay. Next tan 45 is just 1. Okay. Next, now 4 1 upon 2 as it is, root 3 upon 2 whole square means 3 upon 4. Okay. Next, just I applied square inside. Root 3 square means 3 and 2 square is 4. Next, 3 into 1 upon 2 means it is 3 upon 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are. Again 2 ones are 2 twos are. Now we remain here with 3 upon 2 plus 3 upon 2. Okay. See 1 ones are 1 into 3 3 and here 2 1. So 3 upon 2 plus 3 upon 2. 3 upon 2 means 2 is as it is, 3 plus 3 6 upon 2. 6 upon 2 means 3. So what is the value of LHS? LHS is 3. Now find out RHS value. If it is 3, then only our solution is correct. Now 2. What is secant 45? Root 2 whole square minus cosecant square 90. 1 whole square. So 2 into root 2 whole square means 2 minus 1 square is 1. 2 to the 4 minus 1. It is 3. So LHS is 3. In the same way RHS is also 3. So LHS is equals to RHS. Hence proved. So our solution is correct. It is proved. Okay? Is that clear? So I think you have understood the importance of knowing the values of these trigonometric functions. Okay? If you know the values, then only you are able to solve the problem. So values are important. By heart them, memorize all the values. Otherwise, if you know just sign values, then all values can be derived from the sign. Next problem, and next problem as a homework. Just take it as homework and solve it. I am writing it on the board. 2 cos square cos square 45 plus tan square 60 minus 6 sin square 45 minus tan square 30 is equals to 6. Okay, this is the problem. You have to prove it. Prove that 2 cos square 45 plus tan square 60 minus 6 sin square 45 minus tan square 30 is 6. Next problem as a homework is 4 cot square 45. Prove that 4 cot square 45 minus secant square 60 minus secant square 60 minus sin square 30 is equals to minus 1 upon 4. Okay, just solve these problems, and in the next video I will find the values and I will prove it. Till then, bye, take care and memorize all these formulas. These are very important. Take care.